Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicholas and today in this short video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily subtract numbers in Excel. There are several ways to subtract numbers in Excel, but today we're going to show you an easier and faster way. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to it. We'll use this table as an example. We'll show everything step by step. We've written the numbers A and B in the columns. Thanks to the simple formula we're going to show today, we'll subtract them and the result will appear in column D3. First, we click on the cell in which we want the result to appear. Click on cell D3. Enter the equal sign. This acts as a signal to Excel that we want to enter a formula. We click on the cell that contains the first number to be subtracted. In our case, this is cell B3. Now we need to add a symbol for the mathematical operation we want to perform. So we will use the minus sign. This character is used for subtraction in Excel. Insert another element into the formula. Click on the cell we want to subtract. In our case, this is cell C3. So we've just told Excel to subtract these two cells for us. We press enter. Great. Right away we have the result. If we wanted to copy the formula to other rows, we would do it like this. We click on the cell in which we already have the formula. We drag its bottom right corner to all the cells where we want to enter the formula. Done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, let us know via a comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to work with Excel quickly and really easily? If so, be sure to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.